Hello and welcome to InSync Commerce demo. In this demo, we will discuss around a short-term discount plan which applies to B2B customers and can be applied to specific product categories which we call category level discount. InSync Commerce is an end-to-end B2B commerce platform which is specifically built to streamline the business operations of distribution, wholesaling, and manufacturing D2C. InSync Commerce offers better digital adoption, quick launch, and faster growth. It also offers inbuilt integration with other backend business applications such as ERP, CRM, and POS systems, and it provides a seamless digital experience to both the merchants and their B2B users. So, category discount, first of all, it is not like the long term pricing arrangement between the B2B customer and the merchant, just like price list or similar kind of pricing arrangement. Category discount are basically planned for short term and it is being applied to specific product categories. It works independently from other rules. It is designed to work on specific category and it is applied against particular customer. So basically when the merchant see that a specific category of products are not performing well, or it may be possible that they wish to provide a specific discount on a product category where there is a overstock, so they can apply this kind of short term discount and they can offer it to the B2B customers. In this demo video, we will show you how to create category discount, how we can assign it to B2B customers, what will be the implication at the front end as an user experience when a B2B customer's contact person logs into the portal. So let's have a look in the InSync Commerce demo portal. This is the InSync Commerce front end, which we can see, and currently we are seeing that this is a visitor usage or visitor access. I have not logged in as any customer. And this is InSync Commerce back panel or the admin panel from where we can control or the merchant can control all the business operations. To apply a category discount on a customer level, we need to go to the customer section. We will just browse through all the catalogs, and here I can see a complete customer list and I will choose a B2B customer. So in this case, let's choose the B2B customer called Camarena Limited. So I will just click on edit. So once we get into the customer details, I can see that there is an option called category discount. So if I go into this section, I can add new category discount as per my requirement. So I need to select the product category on which this discount will be applied. I need to provide a discount percentage. It can be 25%, it can be 10%, it can be 15% based on whatever as a merchant, I wish to offer to the B2B customers on this specific product category. I need to mark it as active and I need to save this rule. As I can see for Cameron Unlimited, there is already a category discount which I have set on a category called light. And here the discount factor is 25% discount and the status is active and the rule is currently working in the front end and being offered to the end customer or applies to the end customer. So let's first go to the front end of the store. Currently, as a visitor, I am visiting this. If I go to the Discover collection and if I go to the light, I will see the base price of these products. Let's just remember one price so that we can see the application. So here we can see that there is a lighting equipment for round head camera flash of Sony DSLR, and the base price of this product is $190. So now when we have applied light category and a discount factor 25% and it is being assigned to Cameron Unlimited, let's check that if we go back and if we log in as a contact person of Cameron Unlimited, then what will be happening at the front end and how it will be shown to the users. So Cameron Unlimited already has few contact persons. We can see David is a contact person, Charlie is another contact person, Eric is another contact person. So let's just quickly log in as David and let's see this application. So currently, as we can see, the base price of the product shown to a visitor is $190. Technically, as per the pricing rule, if when David logs in to this portal from Cameron Unlimited, as per the set pricing rule on the category discount, which we have applied on the category light, David should get this at 25% discounted price, or David should be able to see it at a 25% discounted price. So let's log in. We have already copied the category, the contact person email ID. So I will just quickly log in here. I'll click on sign in and I will now move to the home page. I will click on discover collection and I need to move to that particular category to see the category discount being applied. So here I'm moving into the category of light. The base price, as we have mentioned before and shown before, was $190. So now if we see, it's 142.50 US dollar for the same light which is being offered to the contact person of Cameron Limited, which is in this case David, who is a contact person of Cameron Limited. So in this way, category discount can be set, can be applied to B2B customers, and these pricing rules can be created in the similar way in InSync Commerce Admin Panel. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching it.